just like that. We got the frame set up. And yeah, let's get these pre-orders in.
Yeah, I know, but I'm sitting here just acting like I don't. Cause the smarter play the dumbest is my favorite role. Got a light one in the dark one like a centerfold. She got no kids and no nigga hit the pot of gold. Let's see where this go. Say she focus on her business and her feelings though. Why you never with your girl, different schedules? I just giving her more reason just to hit the bro. Fall through. Don't call me, baby, I'ma call you. Heard I make plays, baby, tryna ball too. She don't run them out like my other bitches do. All up on my ear about what other niggas do. I'ma come up not a fluke. Make you feel rich if I stand next to you. Come on, not a fluke.
This girl, I could care less about her.
Well, Candy, why don't you check around Puerto Rico and see if there's a studio we can go drop some beats.
What's up, Mr. Waist 510, back at it again, with some rugs in the process. So we flipped it around so you guys can see this side in the time lapse instead of my back, just to switch it up for y'all. Six rugs on the 7-foot frame, and yeah, as you can see, got a little bit more stickers. Got a little bit more stickers on it. I don't know if you can see it for real, but we got some big boy rugs. We got some little boy rugs. We have a freaking 3.5-foot tiger. This one is I'm super excited about because I think it's gonna come out super fly. We got some Caliban Frenchies for the E-bikeboyz. We got a 420 Scooty, hitting that doobie, and some Mighty Mouse. So let's go ahead and finish it up. And if your ruler or tape measure is like this, then you should use our sponsor, Bluetooth.
You what?
Drop the love, we on the way with some chopsticks. About a gym like I'm Dr. Robotnik. They wouldn't get it if they didn't watch Sonic. Me and my bitch rocking harder than Onyx. Drip sick closet on Bubonic. Slow it down, they still hooked on phonics. According to the media, you never been honest. Got some things on your soul that you just can't clean. Lot of niggas on your phone, but they just ain't me. Lot of fish up on my phone, of these hoes doing nasty things. If you can't ain't give her the truth, now why you get that bitch a ring? Yeah, let's do some LSD and talk about all of your dreams. She wants some Percocet, oh, that's really not my thing. But I can make her call to the plug, let me see. Said it's good, bitch.
Waist 5'10", back at it again. Finished product, finished time lapse. And I wasn't too sure how this black Frenchie was gonna come out with the black outlines and stuff, but the highlights kind of made it pop. But as you see, we have all of the rugs finally done, finally finished and tucked it in. Feeling amazing, feeling super soft. Can't wait to trim them down so they look better than this. But until then, let's go ahead and get to gluing. Then I'm gonna go ahead and take a little break. My arms is killing me. Been tufting for about 16 hours straight and playing. But yeah, got all the rugs done. We got Mighty Muscle Mouse. We got some Anime Chica. We have Calabama Frenchies. No sponsorship. We got a Money Bear and our personal big old tiger rug that's going in this bad boy in the Art Tufting studio. Then we have a 420 Scooby-Doo with a doobie. Oh hell yeah. So just thought I'd talk to you guys before I took my little break. Before I went ahead and glued it up. Go ahead and get her done.
Project this BOA, making shit you wish you made. Houston, Atlanta, Vegas, Cali, Bama, different mind state. Cut that white bitch like it's hostile, tell her queen of fate. Cut that white bitch, she got hostile, tell her relocate. Nothing we do normal, nothing from a fuck your family name. Poppin' all these beans, get our injection, help me calibrate. Half you niggas ain't real like they daddy fake. Most of you rap niggas be old, living their glory days. Most niggas don't be trapping, they be knocks. Going broke in this bitch, and that twat. He ain't 21, but I know he got a lot. Going on, I know he ain't going on. All that working, how you doing? How you still broke? I'm the type to get some money just to get some more.
What's up? The Waist 5'10". Back at it again. Took a nap, but I finally got it all glued up. Yeah. I'm thinking I might add some more little knickknacks right here by tomorrow before I cut it down. If not, yeah, I'm not really pressed for space. I made a lot of stuff. Tired. But yeah, we got it all glued up. Time to take a nap. It's 12 o'clock in the morning right now. Been doing this since 9 o'clock p.m. But yeah, let's get it.
One hour later. 2,000 years later.
When I pull up hot in the AMG with the niggas up top, that you bitch wanna see, tell your nigga lie, slide to the Airbnb. Know you fucked up when she ran into me. Judge D, beat it by the trust BTs. Hope he don't try me. Untold body beside me. Chop a nigga up like a commie. Wipe a nigga nose, don't slime me. Fat meat, grease, let me fry him. My drip is OD, I ain't dying. Fuck you and the drugs that you trying. All them fake rapper drugs I ain't buying. Tryna whip me a Porsche, yeah, bitch ass off like Crocs. I'm tapped in like the faucet. Ain't no meaning in your actions. I won't ask you, I can't call it. I've seen ballin', I know bosses. I'm with real ones, you not neither. I got sugar, toss and runs. You still smoke cookie and blue dream. You make diss songs about your team. Go say what you mean. Don't be beat around no bushes on trash beats and sounding weak. I'm with BG, I keep shit neat. We so discreet, you see my intent, we so discreet. When I pull a shirt in AMG, you can't see me. Yo, bitch ass off like Crocs. I'm tapped in like the faucet. Ain't no meaning in your actions. I won't ask you, I can't call it. I know bosses, I know ballin'. I know real ones, you not neither. I got sugar, toss and runs, you still smoke cookie and blue dream. Like I said, all the fake rapper jokes I ain't buying. Feel the village and designer I'm buying. Lost in the matrix, I fucked her in Zion. Feel like the one when I'm gripping the sign. Walk in the bank and I'm making deposits. I pick up my baby, I'm buying for posit. Feel like the baby, I'm rocking 4 pockets full. Ain't gas and I'm smoking this rocket fuel. Bro need a fee, but ain't got the tool. Fucking you for the check, so she acting cool. You done trickin', she switch up and act a fool. Damn, I thought you seen that shit coming. 21 got her running. Got my dough steady pumping. I put dick in your woman. She feel it in her stomach. Ask a nigga like me why I don't shit. What you niggas call rich, what I call bro. Praying to God that I don't slip. Bet I make it all back off a narco. Doing donuts at the car shows. I'ma play me a bitch, not a console. While I'm chiefing more thought with the honchos. Feeling like Blackie on Narcos.